Hi everyone, this is the day 2 product development recap. So there now in the day 1 we have discussed what is the product development and why it is important and what is this brand development. So today we are going to talk about why this brand development is important. Actually, we are considering 4 methods under this. So what are the 4 methods we are considering? The brand strategy, then the brand identity, then the graphic design and the brand management. So combining all these 4 things, we are considering the quality and the brand development or the brand development. And then we should know when we consider this product development under that, what is the role of the product manager and then who is this product manager? Actually, we know the product manager means the responsible person who is trying to develop and who is trying to make all the necessary arrangements which related to the organization and where he consider all the things which related to the product. So he is the one who's responsible for the development of the products, right? So we call as the product manager. So when we consider a proper product manager, the product manager should have many more things. He should have the subject knowledge and then the business knowledge and the industrial knowledge, how to work with the other competitors, that knowledge, and how to work with the top management, then how to work with the laborers, and then how to operate the technology, how to work with the other officers, and how to use the leadership qualities, all those things, this product manager should use it when he is going to be a proper product manager. And then now actually we know when we are considering this product manager role, he has to face for the risk. So therefore he should know how to minimize this risk because that also extremely important. These are some of the types of risk when we are going to start a new product. These are the things that we can consider. Maybe it can be the technological risk, or maybe the performance risk, the market risk, or the organizational risk. It can be the internal conflicts are there, or maybe the supply chain risk, maybe the suppliers from their sides. It can be some sort of issues, or maybe sometimes the capital issues, the financial problems, those type of things can occur. And the other thing is when we consider a product manager, he should be a proper person and he should take the wise decisions and he has to take the proper decisions at the correct time, because if he is not going to get the proper decisions, due to that there can be many more problems. It can happen in the inside, the internal problems can occur, or maybe sometimes the external problems can occur. So therefore, he should be a proper decision maker. Right? So those are the things that we have touched under the day 2. So thank you very much.